Let's draw this cute watercolor dog together. I've already set my watercolor paper and I'm drawing on the other layer. Now I choose my sketch pen. Now I make a correct ellipse with using automatic tool. Then I just make two huge ears. And I'm making a pullover here. And the body shape. I'm not so careful about drawing because this is the first sketching line of mine. Now I'm adding the tail here, something like that. Then I'm giving shape of the face. I'm drawing the face elements on the downside of the face, cause like that it seems more cuter than otherwise. My first sketch is done. Now I want to give a little bit more shape in another layer. I just want to give some kind of fur here. Yes, this form seems good like that. This is my final sketch. I'm drawing on it. Now I'm closing the other one and I'm decreasing the opacity of final one. I have already opened another layer and I'm choosing my brush. I choose base regular smooth brush. This is my brush set. I prepared this brush set. I'm not so careful about the painting. I'm not looking at the lines. I'm just doing it because after that I will clean all of the other sides. Now I'm giving a little bit shadow. Then I will change my brush and I make shadows again. Now I'm choosing my wet paper brush. It's a little bit more smooth brush and I choose a darker color, something like that. It seems there's a more natural shadows there. On some of areas I'm using the smudge tool to make the color more blurry. I'm changing my brush to make a little bit more texture on my dog's face. I'm using it especially on the darker areas. Now it's time to cleaning. I'm cleaning the outside of the lines. Now I'm choosing my base texture one brush to make more clear shadows. I'm adding some details. The form of the dog seems good, but I want to give more detail with my details brush. It seems really good, but I want to give a little bit bright areas on the face, and I can use it with eraser tool. I'm choosing my eraser tool and applying some of the areas which I want to seems to be brighter. Some more details on the whisker side. Now I'm adding the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Let's make a blue glasses. Then I'm opening a new layer for the pullover. I'm choosing a bright good color. Then I'm choosing my base regular smooth brush. Then I'm painting it. Now I'm choosing my wet paper brush and I'm giving a little bit more shadow to these areas. I'm using my smudge tool for the sharp areas. It seems better now. And I'm erasing these areas because it seems an orange color on the face of the dog. And I'm cleaning the sides. Then I'm choosing the base textured one to give more clear shadows. And I'm choosing a darker color. Now I'm choosing my texture brush for the dark areas. With this texture, it seems more like watercolor. Now I can add more texture with this texture brush. Yes, it's more watercolor now. And final details with details brush. Now finally I'm closing my sketch layer and I'm adding a little bit bright areas with my eraser tool. Now I'm opening a new layer and choosing my color, then I'm adding a ground under my dog. And I'm adding the glasses shadow on my dog's face. And that's all. It's already done.